Alright, so recently I came across a problem with my 1998 Chevy S10 where if I turned the ignition, into the start position and it had no resistance and wouldn't come back to the, run position, where your vehicle's just normally running. So I replaced the ignition tumbler thinking that was a problem. I'm no mechanic, okay? I'm an electrician by trade. So I ended up having to call a friend of mine who's a master mechanic here locally where I live. And he came out, took a look at it, and he knew the problem. I had no idea what I was looking at. So let me go ahead and just flip this around real quick if I can, and hopefully you guys will be able to see. Okay, so I can't flip it around, but here's the problem, is this guy right here, which snaps into place right underneath the steering wheel. I know, let's see if I can get you a better angle. It snaps into there. So if you come across a problem with your Chevy Blazer, your GMC S10, your Chevy S10 like I ran into, don't bother replacing your ignition tumbler. Replace the ignition switch. It's going to save you a lot of headaches. I mean, I was sitting on this for, I want to say 2 weeks of just it being an issue the whole flipping time. It's an $81 part at O'Reilly's, and that's with tax. It's like $81.09 or something like that. But either way, plan on spending somewhere in the realm of $82, depending on where you are. I don't know what other places state taxes are. So I hope this helps. I might do a follow-up video of me installing this right here, which is my new ignition switch and wiring loom. So hopefully this helps out some YouTuber someday, and if it doesn't, at least it's out there.